Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Indian Navy deploys a frontline asset including INS Vikramaditya aircraft carrier and its nuclear submarines to operational position post Pulwama attack on February 14 to send a clear and resolute message that forced Pakistan to back down. Experts and senior Navy officials said Navy mobilization was the biggest since Operation Parakram following the December 2001 terror attack on Parliament that brought India and Pakistan to brink of war. NYOOOZ Desk.